What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one and you can probably tell by the title, but we do have this, the iPhone 13 Pro. And I'm going to be unboxing this on my channel, first iPhone right here. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Alright, so some of the packaging is a little opened, like on the bottom parts, but that's just for purposes in the store. But you know, we have the Sierra Blue phone, 13 Pro. And if we just open it up, we have the box, iPhone, Apple logo, iPhone, and then we have the phone itself. You know, this is always the main attraction, but you gotta set it aside for the other stuff in the box. Next we have our USB Type-C to Lightning cable, which, you know, promotes slightly faster charging than our other iPhones that we had in previous years. And then we have paperwork. In the paperwork, we have a SIM ejecting tool, an Apple sticker, and then, you know, this little guide, I guess you could call it. So if we put that back in, that's really everything you get in Apple products these days. Like, you don't get much in the box. So now we can go back to, you know, the phone itself. Let's get a little ASMR. Take that off, and we have the phone. Here's the iPhone 13 Pro. I think it looks really nice. It's clean. Sierra Blue. That's really pretty. So if we power it up, I like the new startup screen. It's not just white, kind of have a little bit of the background in it. So I'm going to set the phone up, and then once I have it all set up, I'll come back to you guys and give you my little first impressions. So I'm back now, the phone's all set up, and it has been a couple days because, you know, I was just getting a feel for things and just trying to customize my phone a little bit, make it feel more like mine. What I will say is that setting it up did take a lot longer than I anticipated. It might have been because I was switching over from an Android and there were a couple complications, but it ended up all working out. And I have the phone right here. Currently have it on Do Not Disturb because I'm not trying to get any notifications to pop up and ruin the video. But I really enjoy it, you know, texting. I finally have all of the iPhone features. I'm a really big fan of the color. It has more of a matte finish and not as much as a glossy finish that you would probably find on the iPhone 13 or 13 mini. But Sierra Blue, that's a nice looking phone. And then I kind of have the matching screensaver to go with it. What I will say using this phone is that, you know, you can kind of see that it has more of a reflective kind of material on the sides. So those pick up fingerprints pretty easily. Now, fingerprints aren't something that really gets me all riled up. And I have a case that I use with the phone, so they're kind of covered up anyways. But I think that, you know, with this kind of material, that can happen. And you know, I never owned the iPhone 12 Pro or anything like that, but I do like the battery life, and they did reduce the size of the notch. So you're getting more screen, essentially, because then it's not taking up as much space. So when I'm watching YouTube or on TikTok, it really feels like a full screen experience. But overall, I'm a really big fan of this phone. I think it's because it's such a big jump from the phone I had before, which is the Samsung Galaxy A50. Moving to a flagship iPhone, which is the Pro version, that's a huge difference, and you're getting so much out of it. And I think once I get more used to this phone, it'll really feel like I'm a part of the Apple community. And, now that I have an iPhone, you're bound to see more iPhone or Apple products on this channel, which I'm really excited for. But comment down below if you want to see an what's on my iPhone video or like my iOS 14 customization video, because I did spend a little bit of time customizing it to my liking. It's nothing super crazy, but I really think a video showing you guys what I've done with the device would be kind of nice. And on top of that, I do have a lot of accessories that I got with this phone. So I'm going to be making an accessories video that I'll be posting after this one. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video, and turn on post notifications so that you're notified whenever the accessory videos comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.